Oasis Garment Company is a garment manufacturer. We are specialized in making jackets and coats for highly reputable brands. Our motto is we make quality jackets. We are not only the production partner to our buyers, we also offer services in design, development, and research. We are a manufacturing hub with new ideas are experimented, defined, and realized. The main driver in our decision to adopt 3D technologies was to be relevant and not to be redundant. We have partnered with Browzwear since 2020. We have seen that vStitcher by Browzwear has an edge over other softwares. We were able to compare, check, and modify pattern pieces without the need to in and out to another CAD software. The logic of the software was in parallel to real-life manufacturing process. As factory, we wanted to see features where we can compare the garment in digital space and in real manufacturing environment. We have been trained to use the software effectively by Browzwear support team. We took it seriously and we have seen the results in short time.
Integrating a 3D design software in product development has emerged as a self-innovation of Oasis. It's turning abstract concept into the tangible design, enhance the accuracy, facilitate the communication. That means we are reducing the quantity of sample because we are able to see the scope of error in advance. That provides us faster turning around time as well as eco-friendly development.
As we embarked in our digital journey, our main objective was to make true-to-life and twin samples. Samples are identical in digital and in real life. Therefore, it was essential for us the capability to scan the fabric with Visu and to be able to capture the physical characteristics of the fabric with fabric analyzer in order to be able to fit and compare the digital sample with the real one.
With the help of the 3D sampling, we are able to provide them a realistic visualization of the sample. From there, they can make quick change and decision.
In our case, we replaced the first proto by digital sample, which means that we could save 25% in quantity. The reduction of mock-ups, experimentation samples during the development stage, in our case, we could save about 33%. And finally, I would say the shortening of the development process. This would save us almost a month or more, which is savings of 20% or more. In today's world, the supply chains are managed in digital platforms. Therefore, it's a must that the factories have digital capabilities in order to be able to connect to their customers via digital supply chains.
And personally, living in the age of technology, I don't want to leave behind when all my partner in the communication on the new heights of creativity and productivity.
With adaptation of 3D technologies, the factories can level up their abilities and increase the value in order to be more relevant to the Vietnamese economy and the ambitions. My recommendation for initial implementation would be a team project. All the parts of the factory should be included in this process. Secondly, the factory management should not kill the project because there is no short-term benefit. It's a matter of survival. And finally, if you invest, you should invest also the fabric and trim digitalization abilities. We all agree that digital transformation is here to stay. My advice would be they should adapt. The sooner they start, the better for them.